In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add email signature in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're working inside the correct sub account. This is important because staff settings, user details, and anything related to signatures are usually managed at the sub account level, not from a broader agency view. Once you've confirmed you're in the right place, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where the main navigation menu appears. From that menu, click on Settings. This is where you'll manage account level options for your workspace. After that, select My Staff. In this section, you'll see the team members connected to the account, and this is where you can create or update user profiles that are tied to email identity details. Next, click Add User. Even if your goal is to prepare the information used for an email signature, the first step here is making sure the user profile is fully set up. Once the Add User window opens, click into the user info section. Now begin filling in the user details. Enter the first name, then the last name, followed by the email address and phone number. Be sure to use the correct business contact information here, since these details may appear in communications and help keep your account organized. You'll also need to add a calendar, then click Next to continue. The calendar connection helps associate the user with scheduling and can be useful across other parts of the platform as well. On the next screen, you'll move into Roles and Permissions. This area controls what the user can access inside the sub-account. Add the appropriate user role based on what that person needs to do in Gohighlevel. It's a good idea to choose permissions carefully so the user has enough access to work efficiently without being given unnecessary control. Once everything is filled out and reviewed, click Save. That completes the user setup process. As a quick tip, before saving, double check the spelling of the name, email, and phone fields. Since this information can be used in user-related communication settings, accuracy matters. Also, make sure you're adding the correct calendar and role for that person, because changing these later can take extra time if multiple users are involved. And that's it. By setting up the staff user correctly in Gohighlevel, you're laying the foundation for a professional email presence and making sure the right contact details are attached to the user profile.